Think coding a calculator needs lots of lines. Think again. Today, I'll teach you a one-line Python trick to build your own. This trick is not only cool, but also super useful for coding interviews and competitions. We'll be using something called Lambda functions and list comprehensions to keep it super simple. Let's dive right into it, and don't forget, you can skip ahead using the timestamps in the description below. Before we get into the coding, let's take a step back and understand why we are even looking at simplifying code to this extent. In the world of programming, especially in fast-paced environments like hackathons or during stressful coding interviews, being able to write concise, efficient code is a game changer. It saves time, sure, but more importantly, it demonstrates a deep understanding of the language capabilities. So, what are these magical Python features we're using today? They are Lambda functions and list comprehensions. These tools are not just powerful, they can significantly shorten your code while keeping it readable and elegant. Let's start with Lambda functions. In Python, a Lambda function is a small, anonymous function defined with the Lambda keyword. It can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. It's perfect for small, quick tasks, which is exactly what we need today. Now let's start coding. Here's our one-liner. Let me break it down for you. This Lambda function takes three parameters, x and y, which are numbers, and op, which is the operation function we want to perform. The expression op of x comma y, if op else invalid operation, uses a conditional expression to check if the op parameter, which should be a function like addition or subtraction, is provided. If not, it returns invalid operation as a simple error handling mechanism. We will now use Python's operator module to define operations like addition, subtraction, and more. Here's how we set it up. Let's test it out. If I input 5 and 3 and choose multiplication, there we go. 15. It works like a charm. But what if we try division by 0? Our calculator handles that gracefully too, thanks to Python's robust operator module. You might be wondering, where can I use this? Well, think about simplifying scripts in your projects or impressing at a coding interview with your grasp of efficient Python coding. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. If you have enjoyed this one-line Python calculator tutorial and learned something new, drop an abacus emoji in the comments to let me know you watched the whole video. Don't forget to check out the screen for more Python tutorials that'll help you become a coding pro. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join the community and keep up with all the latest content.